What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dudios Zeus Air Ultra Slim totally wireless earbuds I picked up using Amazon Prime for $18.99. Out of 5 stars, they get 4 out of about 1,705 customer reviews. Yeah, today I figured we would do just a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of them. They were only $18.99. I did do a video about a week ago on the Dudios Zeus Ace. One of my biggest complaints about that item was that the charge case is just a little bit on the bigger side, which brings me to my first point about this item, is that for only $18.99, you're getting an ultra slim, totally wireless earbud. So hopefully that charge case is going to be a little bit smaller. That being said, just having looked at some of the photos of this product on Amazon.com, they look very similar to the Dudios Zeus Ace. They look almost identical. The only thing that's different about the Dudios Zeus Air, and you'll probably notice this by looking at the package, is that you get this sort of convertible design where there's actually no lid for the earbuds themselves. They solely rely on the magnetic connection when you place them back in the charge case to stay in the charge case in the first place. We've seen actually multiple tests done over the internet and online. I've actually done a test on this channel included where I have, tried to shake out a pair of wireless earbuds from their charging case with the lid open, and Flossie Carter is someone who does this all the time. He very rarely gets earbuds to fall out. So I have full confidence that this is going to be a proven design, one that works, one that's actually more convenient than we know wireless earbuds to be today. And that's simply due to the fact that all you're gonna have to do to access these earbuds is reach inside the charging case and pluck them out and throw them in your ear. These are fully convertible. You can just pluck them right out, put them in your ear. That's kind of what I am expecting with these earbuds. Yeah, I really like this design. It's actually a design that I've wanted to take a look at for a few weeks now. I've seen them on the market. Not really all that concerned about the battery life. As long as I can get about 4 hours of charge and maybe an additional 4 or 5 charges out of the charge case. What I am worried about is there going to be a difference in audio quality from the Dudios Zeus Ace? I actually really liked the way the Dudios Zeus Ace sounded. I just hope that the Dudios Zeus Air sound just as good, even though they do cost half as much. Okay, so we'll bring in the scissors here, make a little bit of an incision into the side of the box, a pretty deep one at that, so I can get this wrapping paper off. And as you can see, you get just a very plain box here. You do get this little logo on the side that says Sound with Substance. Hopefully these do have sound with substance, just like the Dudios Zeus Ace. Yeah, in my Dudios Zeus Ace video, I actually forgot to mention that there is some information on the sticker on the back, and it does say that it does come with auto pairing. So like I said, you should be able to just pluck these right out of the charging case and put them into your ear. And as you can see, you really get nothing else with this box. It just says Dudios Zeus Air Ultra Slim, totally wireless earbuds. And as you can see in the box here, we have just a foam covering and our Dudios Zeus Air. One of my biggest concerns on this channel is making sure that I am showing the product to you guys. Yeah, we get this other box in the box and maybe some added ear tips and a USB to micro USB charging cable. And last but not least, we get a warranty service card. It does ask us to share our experience on Amazon if we are satisfied. But then again, if we are not satisfied or not getting the results as expected, that we should contact support at dudios.com. I encourage you, if you have a complaint, to definitely voice your opinion on Amazon.com in the comment section below so that you can let other buyers know what's going on. And last but not least, we have a Dudios Zeus Air user manual. Okay, so we'll go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and put the Dudios Zeus Air in our ear. Right off the bat, what I can say is I absolutely love the design and the ease of use of this charging case. Just being able to pluck them out of their charging case and put them right in your ear is super convenient. I absolutely love that. And Dudios Zeus Air comes up. We have to pair the right side first, and then I assume we have to pair the left side. We can see that the Dudios Zeus Air right is connected. That may be a little bit confusing, the fact that it says the right side is paired, but truth of the matter is both earbuds are connected and I am getting sound coming out of both earbuds. Yeah, let me go ahead and listen to these for a few minutes on some different EQ settings, and then I'll be back with my first impressions. Okay, so I've got the earbuds in my ear. As you can see, they look great. They're stylish, they're comfortable. They sound absolutely phenomenal. I'm not sure why you would even go for the Dudios Zeus Ace. These are much more compact, much more convenient. They sound the same, they're built the same. The Dudios Zeus Ace were like $39.99, or maybe they were $29.99. They cost about $30, I believe. These, the Dudios Zeus Air, were $18.99, so they're about $10 less. I have listened to them on a few different EQ settings, and what I can tell you is the bass is very powerful on these earbuds. Definitely thumps. It's definitely rich, it's full. When I actually turned Bass Booster on, it really brought that thumpiness to the forefront of everything else and moved the rest of the music behind it. When I actually turned Bass Reducer off, the midtones really came out. My only take back with the Dudios Zeus Air is that they are not water resistant. They are sweat proof according to some of the statistics on Amazon about these earbuds. In addition to that, they are an older design due to the fact that they use a touch button on the side. So you do have to press something down on the side of your earbud and sort of jam the earbud in your ear, which can be a little bit uncomfortable. Yeah, overall, I don't think the play time on these earbuds is extraordinary by any means. I think if you want an extraordinary or an expendable pair of earbuds, you should probably look at something like the NX Fire G20 or the Tautronics Sound Liberty 53. These are a little bit more towards personal use. Anyways, guys, I'm kind of rambling on here, but I'm gonna close out this video. These sound absolutely phenomenal. I love the convertible design. Anyways, guys, because I picked them up using Amazon Prime, that does make them a convenience good for $18.99. That's what I paid for them. They get 4 out of 5 stars out of 1,705 customer reviews. Anyways, guys, if you wanna see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Once again, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.